Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, January 11th. In the NASDAQ market, I was looking for a bounce. We didn't get that. We did get a bit of a rally there for a while, but as the session finished out, we backed off. I want you to know what I think the key factor is going to be, barring any unusual fundamental information from Asia session, European session, is going to be the U.S. session on Monday. That, I think, is going to set the tone. Where before I said that Asia would, I think Monday it's going to be the U.S. session that we want to focus on, and I'm looking for the possibility of a rally. Right now, if you were short, nothing telling you to be a buyer, but I'd be careful at these levels. In the euro, it breaks down as the dollar got stronger, but as U.S. market softened, we also see the dollar weakening, and that's what you're witnessing there. I also want to point out to you that the Japanese yen traded below its bearish level. And when it did, the difference here between the bearish and bullish level, the magnitude change is $2,937.50. But right now it did firm up as we went into this weekend. I look for a sideways to lower move, though, on Monday. Same thing happened in the interest rate markets. The 10-year notes traded below its bearish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $1,000 per contract. And it did firm up as the U.S. market got weaker. I do not look for follow-through on Monday to the upside. And I feel the same way about gold. Yes, it did trade below its bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $280 a contract. Over here in silver, the difference between the bullish and bearish levels there is $200 a contract. Now, what about precious metals on Monday? I'm looking for weakness on Monday for gold and silver, not bullish action. In the energy market, I look for a sideways move. I'm not looking for a strong rally or a big break, but rather a sideways move in that market. And I feel the same way about beans. Beans have gotten high enough to find sellers. We have to be very cautious on the long side. Corn did trade above its bullish level, and that difference between the bullish and bearish levels here in this market is $700 a contract. And I don't look for strong movement on Monday. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you next week. Have a wonderful weekend, and in the meantime, take care.